Hey guys, it's been a while. I'm kind of nervous right now because I missed a couple tests, and those tests are the Siren test, tornado siren tests. Air raid siren. It's the first Saturday of the month, and I'm supposed to get ready, and I'm using my mom's phone because I am grounded from my electronics, and I really have permission to use hers, so I'm lucky now. It's 12:54. It sounds at 12:01, and I'm just waiting here, shaking the phone. I'm nervous. I'm scared. I don't know when the actual these sirens will go off. The last time, I think it was last year, one of them went off for like 5 minutes, which was weird because they're only supposed to go off for 2 minutes, but apparently it went 5. But yeah, I took a video of that, but I thought it was too cheesy because it took a long time for them to go off because I started the video at a very early time. And this is the right time to wait because it literally took almost like 20 minutes for me to wait until they go off. And I'm waiting. Oh, shizzle. Okay, gotta get outside. Here we go. Oh, dang it. I have my socks. I can also tell you, I'm gonna tell you guys right now where these sirens are located. I live right by one. It's down that street. Not telling you the name because if you know where my location is, I'm in big trouble. Because my parents know they're gonna beat the crap out of me, so yeah. He's fine. Holy crap! How much poop did it get on that seat? Oh my gosh! There's like 0 here except for that one spot, and then it's just that right there. Can't believe it. Oh, this feels good. Yeah, there's a federal signal down there. God, I think there's another one, like, down there. I don't know where that guy's, like, at. But I know that guy's located. You know, I don't even know what I'm saying. So it's gonna sound confusing. But I have to tell you, living by a siren is loud. I have to tell you that. But that weird siren video that I posted was actually a test. There's snow outside and everything. And apparently, it was funny because the federal signal that was down there was the only siren that was going off. I heard nothing over here or over there. The siren over there wasn't going off. Nothing in the background except that one down there was going off. And I was like, that is weird. Because there was absolutely no way. Okay, they're going to sound them off now. It's 12:55. It's almost time. What's that noise? Oh, I can hear one right now. You guys probably can't hear it. But I'm not deaf. I can actually hear. I don't even know why I said I'm not deaf. It's probably no reason unnecessary. I'm gonna sit down here, wait. Okay. God dang it, when are they gonna sound them? What time is it? Nope, it's not 12:01, it's 1 o'clock. Oh, here we go. There goes the federal signal down there. Shaking right now because It just went off without me knowing. Are you serious? Is that the only siren that's going off? That just blew in my face. Oh, jeez. Right at that second when I said they were gonna go off, they just went right there. I was just like, oh, jeez, dude, that's crazy. Shaking right now. My right hand's less shaky. It's more shaky. Oh, there's some wailing ones down there, I think. I heard from all the way down there. This is wail. Oh, I know why. I can hear a wheeling straight from down East Point and Gratiot, 9 Mile and Gratiot. There's a wheeling 36. Well, I mean, I could say the name, but I don't want to. But similar. You know. No. Yeah. That's... Okay, I feel like this is the only siren that's going off right now, because I hear no other siren but this one. Here we go, it's gonna blow in my face again. What the hell? I don't hear other ones. Weird. Oh, wait a minute. It sounds like there's another one going off. Okay, maybe it doesn't. Maybe because this house is so further away from all the other sirens, we're close to this one, and that's why it's so... Maybe this one's louder and I can't hear the others, but that's quite impossible because I'm further away from this one, and I should be hearing the others, but apparently I can't hear any other siren in the background except this one, which is kind of weird. And if anyone's gonna panic about, oh no, are you gonna be okay? This is just a test. It's not gonna be like, oh, that's disgusting. It's 103. So apparently that was the end of the test. That was quite nice. You know what, next time, if this video gets like a lot of views, I'm gonna do a live stream of doing those tests. I'll do a live stream, and yeah. I think I might get my electronics back in a couple more months, so if that happens, then I'll do a live stream of that. Jeez, that was cool. I like that. Alright. So I guess that was the only siren that we heard today. This is kind of weird. It's really weird. What? That's not right. It's 104 on this clock, but it's on this clock. It's 102. That's. Oh, did you know that I drew the siren? I'm really good at drawing. I'm apparently artistic, which is kind of surprising. Well, if you have enjoyed this video of me recording this only lonely siren testing, if you like it, like the video. I don't really care. I mean, if you like the sound of that kind of siren, it's up to you. So please like, comment, subscribe, and see you later. Goodbye. I don't even know how to end a proper video.